Welcome back. Artificial intelligence is rapidly developing with the tech popping up in new products constantly. But is this exciting technology always good? Joining us to discuss is former NASA rocket scientist and author Olympia LePoint. Thank you for being on with us. What an honor.
Thank you. It's my honor to be on KTLA. Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. Well, we can't wait to talk to you about this subject because AI is certainly a hot topic. And some say the technology could replace humans in fields of math and science. But you say it is just a tool. So what's the difference?
These are great questions. Artificial intelligence, which is the new type of machine learning and large language models, is simply a tool. It's like the printing press for calculations, patterns, and numbers. And although AI is very powerful and it is an opportunity for us to get great information, it's human minds that will be able to check the information and verify it's accurate.
Let's talk a little bit more about how AI is being used. How is it being developed in areas of security?
AI has been used in areas of security to make sure that you are you. For example, if you call up a investment banking company, you'll have a voice recognition to ensure that you are the person going to change your stocks. We have it used in cybersecurity. We have it also used in terrorist activity, making sure terrorists are not going to present information online. So there's security features that are being used even in medicine. Medicine is being used in AI together to create new medicines for people who are fighting cancer. So it's a great opportunity for a lot of people.
Well, in a real world example, let's just talk about you. You helped launch more than 24 rockets as a NASA scientist. Could AI do your job?
Do you know what? That's a great question. The answer is no.
Oh, good. There's some hope.
There was a study done, and it was found that when AI tried to launch rockets, it failed miserably.
Wow, okay,
Yeah.
good. It should be a human job. We need our rocket scientists doing it. Any reason why? You know, I'm sure there are many, but what would we understand about
Intricate jobs, rocket science, law work, medicine, any type of job that requires analytical thinking where you have to truly see whether or not the data is actually representing real life. Those type of jobs and opportunities are best dealing with human minds. AI is simply a tool to help people understand the intricate details of what could possibly happen, but it's the human mind that dictates what the best solution is.
Interesting. Now, we also see this being a really hot topic right now when it comes to writers and the writers' strike. It is an issue that they are negotiating. They do not want AI writing scripts. Can AI replace humans as artists, as writers? Should AI have a role in doing something like this creative work?
That's a great question, and scientists are actually talking about this with the ethics behind it right now. My personal belief is that you have to be careful about AI. What AI does is it goes on your computers, it goes on your servers, business servers, and takes out information not only from the internet, but from your computer systems. And there's some secured privacy work of artists and people and individuals that are copyrighted, they're trademarked, and we want to make sure AI doesn't take those types of information in its large model and use it as a composition for other people's work. And so that's something in which scientists are really speaking up against to make sure that people's information isn't taken and used for someone else's.
Well, and there's a lot of talk about regulation.
Yes.
What can regulators do, or should they, in your view, do to regulate AI?
Well, that is a great discussion. Right now, Sam Altman, who is the CEO of OpenAI, went to Senate and proposed a process for people to make sure AI is safe. He recommended, one, to ensure that there's some sort of a regulatory agency to license the companies that are using your data. He also suggested that, number two, there's a way to cut off the AI to make sure it doesn't run away with your information or run off rogue doing information or creating patterns that are not accurate. And third, he suggested that we check AI to make sure its results are actually accurate.
Well, and disclosure. Is there disclosure going on for when AI is used by, say, developers?
Not right now.
So we don't know sometimes when AI is being deployed or employed by a company.
Exactly. Excellent question. AI, depending on the company, is used in authentic ways and in what I call dark ways. We have to know how the company operates, how it chooses to use people's information, and how it keeps it secure. There are companies right now that are calling for and saying that they are going to be accurate with your data, making sure that it stays private. For example, we're going to see, all of us see AI deployment in our Microsoft emails and Gmails coming up in a couple of weeks. And I recommend people just hold off, just wait, find out a little bit more about AI and find out which programs are best for you. We're all going to experience AI, which is a great calculating tool. And we want to ensure that the companies having our data, whether it be OpenAI, whether it be Google, whether it be IBM, or all the other type of companies that exist out there, they're using our information in a safe way.
Absolutely. And just quickly before we go, what do you want consumers to know about new AI products? Sounds like let the buyer beware.
I say if you're watching this particular segment, wait. Do your research, find out about AI, listen to experts like myself and other people who are looking at the pros and cons of AI. And before you sign up for any type of AI program, find out how that company uses your data.
The data, the devil's in the details. Thank you so much for being on with us. Really insightful stuff. For more from Olympia, you can check out her latest book, Answer Unleashed 2, The Science of Attracting What You Want, or you can head to AnswersUnleashed.com. Thank you so much for coming to the studio. We'll be right back.